our finest, fantastic, beautiful performers. We loved her on our Indian cinema and we love her more on global cinema. She is none other than Priyanka Chopra. Let's welcome Priyanka Chopra. Twilight Residence Globetrotter event ki vichesinaటువంటి Priyanka Chopra gariki a very, very, very hearty welcome. మందాకిని పాత్రలో మనకి కనువిందు చేయబోతున్నటువంటి ప్రియాంక చోప్రా గారికి వెరీ హార్టీ వెల్కమ్. జస్ట్ ఫస్ట్ లుక్ చూసాము అంటే ప్రేమలో పడిపోయాము. అతి త్వరలోనే మనం ఇంకా కొన్ని అప్డేట్ రాజమౌళి గారు మనల్ని అప్డేట్ చేయాలి అని ఆశిస్తూ ప్రియాంక చోప్రా గారికి వెరీ వార్మ్ వెల్కమ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆల్ ది తెలుగు ఫ్యాన్స్. పెను తుఫాను తలొంచి చూసే our superstar for the Twilight Residences Globetrotter event. Superstar Mahesh Babu.
Hello, 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 hello to all Telugu audience. Oh my God. This is amazing.
Yes, and today's event is powered by SSMB fans.
Hey, Soma, do you have my passport?
నా పాస్పోర్ట్ మీ దగ్గర ఉందా?
मैंने तेलुगु अभी तक इतनी अच्छे से सीखी नहीं है, लेकिन इमोशन से समझ गया कि सर ने आपको भी पासपोर्ट नहीं दिया है.
छीन लिया.
Hello everyone, hello Telugu audience. I have to address something. From all around the world, a lot of people are watching this live stream. And they will never forget the year 2022 when RRR released. The frenzy was so powerful that we stamped ourselves in the history of international pop culture. And we were all united in the euphoria that was created by this one person, the man, the legend, S.S. Rajamouli. It is amazing what this man has done. And you know what, Suma? can you please introduce me to the audience? I'm very excited to know what's the craze, what's the cheer going on.
Okay, so I suppose somebody asked you about whether this is a World Cup function or...
Oh,
it is-
yes. You know, somebody from the international media was asking me, is this a film launch event or a World Cup opening ceremony?
అట్లుంటుంది మాతోని సినిమాని మేము సెలబ్రేట్ చేస్తాం మా రక్తంలో సినిమా ఉంటుంది మహేష్ బాబు ఫ్యాన్స్ అరుపు ఎలా ఉంటుందో ఒక్కసారి వినిపిద్దామా
Okay. This is what I wanted to hear. The moment you took his name, people went mad. And Suma, I have to do this. Ever since I was appointed as the host of this event, the mad, crazy Mahesh Babu fans have been flooding my messages, my DMs, and they have requested me to do something. Can I do it?
ప్లీజ్
Can I please do it?
ఎస్
Jai Babu!
జై బాబు
Jai Babu! Okay, guys. So finally, we have the owner of Hans Corp, Sandeep ji. How are you? Sandeep ji, you have to tell me, how have you associated with this film? Because I saw your villas; they're large, just like Sir's vision. So can you tell us something about this association?
So, my association with this family has been over 20 years, but with this movie has been just since last Sunday. So, the producer Kartikeya on the movie had messaged me asking if I wanted to take an ad slot on the Jio Hotstar live feature. And I thought, absolutely, like who wouldn't want to market there, right? So I said, yes, absolutely. But then I started to think, Rajamouli Garu's movies are like so large. So maybe if I take one slot, I would not be able to make an impact. So then I asked Kartikeya, what is the maximum number of slots I can take? And he said 22. So I said, done. Let's do it. So that's how the association started.
Sandeep ji, that's amazing. I have 60 slots on my YouTube channel available, just letting you know. I'm also in very much need of money. Thank you, Sandeep ji. Thank you so much. Now, next up we have Twilight Residences MD, Sanjay Mangatram ji. Sir, I have a question for you. I landed in Hyderabad. I see Twilight everywhere. Every banner, every building. Here also I'm seeing Twilight. Is Hyderabad sponsored by Twilight? Is it something like that? Please tell me, sir. And sir, if you're sponsoring, see my reel with Raj, sir. Okay, 2 crore views, sir. I can also do good, sir.
No, we are just here to create a brand. And when we met Kartikeya, and when he explained us the combination of Mr. Rajamouli, Mahesh Babu, Priyanka Chopra, and it went on and on. I said, so I and my partner thought nothing better than to get associated with the Globetrotter for us to become a brand. And we aligned with the thought of Mr. Rajamouli. He always thinks larger than life. And here we also are making a tower which is larger than life.
That's amazing.
Good evening, Hyderabad, and hello to everyone watching from around the world. గత పాతికేళ్ళలో చాలా ఇండస్ట్రీస్లో ఎన్నో సినిమాలు చేశాను, కానీ ఇంత లెవెల్లో ఇంతమంది జనంతో ఒక సినిమా లాంచ్ అవటం మాత్రం, యా, ఐ నో. I actually did prepare a couple of paragraphs in Telugu, but since I know how beautiful this language is, and that probably I'm butchering it, I'm going to refrain from a very probable misadventure. Firstly, thank you, Keeravani sir, for the wonderful introduction to Kumbha. I've grown up listening to all the timeless classics you have made for Malayalam cinema, and it's an absolute honor to be able to finally associate with you on a film. This humongous crowd that's gathered here today, to celebrate a piece of cinema that we all truly believe will eventually become our collective pride speaks volumes on the love and affection the Telugu audience has for this wonderful medium and its torchbearers. It's truly special to be part of this grand celebration. I think it was a couple of years ago when I was, in fact, in the midst of my own directorial when one fine day I got a message from Rajamouli sir. Hi Prithvi, this is S.S. Rajamouli. The character of the antagonist in my next film has come out exceedingly well and is one of the finest characters I've conceived. Would you be interested in doing it? These were the exact words. I remember, I still have the message. I got back with a seemingly nonchalant, sure sir, but I'm sure he caught the excitement in me. A few days later, I was at his office with the most beautiful German Shepherd for company and the famous S.S. Rajamouli narration that my friend Prabhas has told me so much about. It started. 5 minutes into the narration, I was blown away. And for the rest of the 3 hours, I listened to it not as an actor listening to a narration pitch, but more like a little boy who's got his hands on the next edition of his favorite comic book. The scale, the vision, the ambition, everything was India's greatest contemporary mainstream filmmaker pushing his own limits to never-before territory. But what truly took my breath away was the audacity of the imagination. How does someone think like this? Where do you find the inspiration to picturize something like this? Remember what I told you about the first 5 minutes? You can get back to that the day this film releases. Anyway, I suppose it must be on the bucket list of pretty much every actor out there to one day feature in an S.S. Rajamouli film. But little did I know that he was going to trust me with one of the most complex, the most emotionally and physically challenging characters that he's ever thought of. Thank you, sir, for the trust, for the belief, for the absolutely torturous shooting process. I wouldn't have it any other way. Yes, Mahesh sir. If my memory serves me right, the first Telugu film I ever saw in a theater was Pokeri. From then to now, the way you have owned your heritage and the way you have built your own legacy is truly awe-inspiring. For the superstar that you are, you truly deserve this film, and this film truly deserves you. PC, always a big fan, like I've told you. Jilmil from Barfi is on my list of the greatest performances by an Indian actor ever. And it's a privilege to watch you transform into Mandagini from such close quarters. This is Indian cinema's biggest brand flexing his ambition, and a team of technicians and actors going all out to make sure that he reaches that pinnacle he's aiming for. But to attain those lofty aspirations, we need you, we need the audience, to believe in us, to spur us on, and to take pride in what we are attempting. Ladies and gentlemen, this is S.S. Rajamouli once again taking Indian cinema to the world. This time bigger, hopefully better, and definitely more audacious than ever before. Thank you once again for being here, and see you all at the movies.
Enda Mashe, Adi Poli.
Namakku Kochilum Kananam, sir.
That was exciting. Hello, Hyderabad. Are you ready? Should we light this night up? I need to hear you. There we go. Tagalapette Dama! Namaskaram, and thank you so much for having me. The energy tonight is electrifying, and it is all because of you. आप लोग यहाँ इतनी बड़ी तादाद में आए हैं, उसके लिए हम सब बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हैं. आपने हम सबको इतना प्यार दिखाया, मुझे इतना प्यार दिखाया. To the media, not just from all over India, but around the world, this is the land where cinema is a celebration. As I am sure you have already noticed, I'm so happy to be back making this movie in my beloved India. And I've said this before, and I'll say it again. The best and only way to join Telugu cinema is to do it with the greats. और मैं अपने आप को बहुत बहुत लकी समझती हूँ कि मैं ऐसे दिग्गज कलाकारों के साथ काम कर पाई हूँ. So first and foremost, Keeravani Garu, this version of Desi Girl is my favorite. Don't tell everyone. But you, the fans of Telugu cinema and all over the world, and fans of Keeravani Garu, have no idea the music that you have in store for you. This is just the beginning. The song that Shruti sang so beautifully is just the beginning. Prithvi, I have to say something honestly. You are very scary in the movie. Terrifying, huh? Really, really scary. But in real life, you're the complete opposite. So thank you so much for your wonderful kindness. Rajamouli sir, all I will say is you are truly the visionary that has brought Indian cinema to the globe like no one else has before. So I thank you so much for choosing me as your Mandakini. KL Narayan Garu, our DOP Vinod Garu, the rest of the crew that is continually working so hard to make this movie something that you cannot even imagine. I'd like to say thank you for welcoming me. Now, you know who I'm going to talk about, right? What do you call him? Bob? Oh, no. Lion? There are many other names, but I know him as MB. I know him as the incredible, the legendary Mahesh Babu. Babu, let's get it. Let's go. You and your beautiful family, Namrata, Sitara, have made me feel like Hyderabad is my home. So thank you so much for treating me like your family and making this experience so wonderful for me. Yes, exactly. Say it again. Since I am standing in front of all of Mahesh's fans, let me hear how loud you can be. Somebody said this dialogue to me, and मुझे तेलुगु इतनी अच्छी तरह नहीं आती. जब तक ये फिल्म खत्म हो जाएगी, मैं पूरी स्पीच दे दूंगी आपको तेलुगु में, देख लो. But till then, if you know this line, say it with me, okay? Mind lo fix ante. Yes! Your fans know you so well. All right. Thank you so much, everyone. And now, the wait is over. I'm here to introduce to you what you have all been waiting for. It's going to come up very soon for the first time ever since the announcement of this film. You are going to get a glimpse of it. So I'll leave you to enjoy the rest of your evening. Thank you so much for having me, and I hope I can make you proud. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Priyanka Chopra Jonas, ma'am. And it's a great privilege having you in this film, and we are going to witness Mandakini immediately. Okay, so talking about S.S. Rajamouli Garu. He dreamt, took actions, made it possible. An inspiration to millions of people.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. చాలా రోజులు అయిపోయింది బయటకు వచ్చి. కొంచెం కొత్తగా ఉంది కానీ చాలా బాగుంది మిమ్మల్ని కలుసుకోవటం. మళ్ళీ స్టేజ్ మీదకి సింపుల్గా నడిచొస్తాను సార్ అన్నారు. కుదరదన్నారు. చూశారుగా ఎంట్రీ ఎలా ప్లాన్ చేశారో. సరే సార్, సింపుల్గా నా స్టైల్లో ఒక బులుగు చొక్కా వేసుకొని ఈవెంట్కి వస్తాను. కుదరదన్నారు. చూశారుగా డ్రెస్సింగ్ ఎలా సెట్ చేశారు. అదేంటండి గుండీలు లేవు, ఒక 2-3 బటన్స్ అని ఇవ్వండి అన్నాను. కుదరదన్నారు. స్టైల్ ఇంతేనమ్మా అంట. ఇంకా నయం చొక్కా లేకుండా రమ్మన్లా. నెక్స్ట్ అదేనేమో. ఇదంతా మీకోసమే. మీరందరూ ఓపిక మమ్మల్ని సపోర్ట్ చేసినందుకు థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. అప్డేట్ అప్డేట్ అని అడిగారుగా, ఎలా ఉంది అప్డేట్? మన డైలాగే చెప్పాలి. దిమ్మ తిరిగి మైండ్ బ్లాక్ అయింది నాకు కూడా. నాన్నగారంటే నాకెంత ఇష్టమో మీ అందరికీ తెలుసు. ఆయన చెప్పే ప్రతి మాట వినేవాడిని, ఒక్క మాట తప్ప. ఆయన ఎప్పుడు నన్ను ఒక పౌరాణికం సినిమా చేయమని అడిగేవారు. నువ్వు గెటప్ల్లో చాలా బాగుంటావురా, ఒక సినిమా చేయి అని ఎప్పుడు అడిగేవారు. ఆ మాట ఎందుకో నేను ఎప్పుడు వినలేదు. ఇవాళ నా మాటలు ఆయన వింటూ ఉంటారు. ఆయన ఆశీస్సులు ఎప్పుడూ మనతోనే ఉంటాయి. ఇది నా డ్రీమ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్. ఒక రకంగా చెప్పాలంటే వన్స్ ఇన్ అ లైఫ్ టైం ప్రాజెక్ట్. దీనికి ఎంత కష్టపడాలో అంత కష్టపడతాను. I'll make everyone proud. Most importantly, I'll make my director the most proud. వారణాసి రిలీజ్ అయినప్పుడు మాత్రం the whole of India will be proud of us. ఇది టైటిల్ అనౌన్స్మెంట్ మాత్రమే, ఫస్ట్ రివీల్ మాత్రమే. ముందు ముందు ఎలా ఉండబోతుందో మీ ఊహకే వదిలేస్తున్నాను. మీ సపోర్ట్ ఇలానే ఉండాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. మీ అందరూ ఎంతో దూరం నుంచి ఎంతో కష్టపడి ఎంతో అభిమానంతో ఇక్కడికి వచ్చారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ అనేది చాలా చిన్న మాట. నేనెప్పుడు మిమ్మల్ని పొగుడుతూ పెద్ద పెద్ద మాటలు చెప్పలా. ఎందుకంటే మీరు నాకు చూపించే అభిమానం నేనెప్పుడు అది మాటలతో చెప్పలేను. ఎప్పుడు అంటూ ఉంటానుగా, ఆ మాటే చెప్పాలి. చేతులెత్తి దండం పెట్టడం తప్ప నాకు ఇంకేం తెలియదు. మేము ఈ ఈవెంట్ని మీకోసం ఆర్గనైజ్ చేసాం. మీరింటికి జాగ్రత్తగా వెళ్తే మేము చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అవుతాం. దయచేసి మీరింటికి సేఫ్గా వెళ్ళండి ప్లీజ్. మీ ఆశీస్సులు అభిమానం ఎప్పుడు నాతోనే ఉండాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
డౌన్.
Thank you so much, Mahesh Babu garu. It was an absolute delight watching you there. And ఇప్పుడు టీమ్ అందరినీ కూడా ఫర్ ఫోటో వేదిక మీదకి రావాల్సిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. రిక్వెస్టింగ్ ఎవ్రీబడి టు ప్లీజ్ కమ్ ఆన్ ది స్టేజ్ ఫర్ గ్రూప్ పిక్చర్. కీరవాణి గారు, విజేంద్ర ప్రసాద్ గారు, రాజమౌళి గారు, కాంచి గారు, దేవాకట్ట గారు, సాల్మన్ మాస్టర్, పిఎస్ వినోద్ గారు, శ్రీనివాస్ మోహన్ గారు, సందీప్ గారు, అలాగే రమ గారు. ఎవ్రీబడి టు ప్లీజ్ కమ్ ఫర్ గ్రూప్ పిక్చర్. ప్రియాంక చోప్రా జోనస్ గారు, పృథ్వీరాజ్ గారు and our superstar Mahesh Babu garu. Sri KL Narayan garu and SS Karthikeya, our producers. What a fantastic film you all are bringing forward to us.